For the first time this season, the head of house is the only person that can nominate a housemate up for eviction. What do you guys think about that move? Do you think it will now make the head of house position a very, competitive one? And, what do you think about the other housemates only being able to influence the head of house's decision?
I think that was a smart move from Big Brother because in previous seasons, people gone for the head of house title, not only for the immunity that it comes with, but also for the lounge. So now there's no lounge. There's no agenda to agenda inside that lounge. Everything is in the open. And now it's more powerful. It makes everybody desperate to win. And then knowing fully well that the fate of your fellow housemates lies in your hands, it's a lot of power. And you can also choose to not be influenced. You can also choose to not accept the suggestions of your fellow housemates. And that was exactly what Elo Swags did. He refused to accept any assistance from anybody. So imagine if it was a real eviction. Trust me, that guy has scored a goal.